Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of TheRealNesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to show you the net breeder. This right here is if you have baby fish in your aquarium, if you want to separate them from the other fish so the other fish won't eat them when they're first born, you want to get yourself a net breeder. I've got the Imaginarium net breeder. Let's open this bad boy up and put it together for you. I'll show you how it goes. This is actually a second one I bought because my fish is going crazy in the tank, so I had to get a second one. So this right here, this net breeder right here, the Imaginarium is attached. It's easy to your tank to help your newborn fry away from adult fish. Includes decorative plants too. You rinse before use, submerge in an aquarium and attach to your tank, leaving the portion just above the water line. And the water decorative plants is included. They give you two little plants right there. So let's open this baby up. Let's see what we gotta do. Angle this down for you guys so you can see what's in it. So basically we come right here, open this baby up, and this is what's inside of it. Inside, there's the box. So you got the screen, you got your couple plants right here, little plants, and then you got your other pieces. And here are the sides that you're going to put all of this together. So now, let me put it all together for you real quick. So this is definitely the top. I remember for those. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to come around here like so. You see the big piece lines up with the big piece here. So you just pop this in here. It goes right inside these little grooves there. So you just press this. And you want to make sure all the grooves are down on this thing too. Make sure all the grooves are down. So give them a little tug. Make sure you got all the sides down. Then once you finish, you see there's the ends. Make sure your ends line up. And this part goes on the inside, the one that looks like it's got a little overlap. And then you're going to line it up like this. This is the final piece for the top, right? Like so. Then you make sure you got the snaps all the way around. And make sure everything lined up. Make sure all the boxes are lined up, pushed in. Boom. Boom. Make sure you hit that little snap. And then you want to double check again. Double check again and make sure everything is tight. And there's the inside of your basket right there. Next thing you want to do, these are all the items that come in the bag. 2 poles, the suction cup to go up against the aquarium, and these go on the end of the tube. So what you're going to do is you're going to tear off 4 of these. They give you 2 extra. So you tear these off like so. And what you're going to do, and then this goes up here. One goes on here like that to keep it from going down. Oh, actually, you want to make sure this goes through here like so. And then that goes through there. Then your other end goes on here, like that. Same thing over here. You want to put one here. Run that through. Run that through that. And then the other one goes on the end here. And that's how, oh, look, see, look, I made a rookie mistake. I put this on backwards, you guys. Don't make a rookie mistake. The suction goes this way so it can be against the wall. So put that there. Put that there. So now I would just put my ends on it. Put an end on here. And then we're gonna put another end right here. There we go. So we got that. Now I don't know. They had these in here, but I couldn't remember what these were for though. And here's your plants. So you just put these plants in there once you set everything up. These things right here, little dividers and things, they go on the inside here. You could just put that against that and that to just kind of hold that open like so. Oh no, I'm wrong. Yeah, well, they actually do go there, but this is for the plants. So you can actually put these on here like so, right? You put these on here like that, and then what you do is you put this down in here like this, right? You put this down in here, and now you got the plants. You've got the plants. So when you put it in there, it's going to sit in there like that with the plants. And you get, these plants can slide up and down. Actually, I want to get a good grip on it. So you can have plants in there just like that. So if you want to have your plants at 2 different levels, you can have them like that and just set them up at 2 different levels, like so. So the fish can just swim around, do different things. So you can set it up however you want to set it up. 2 different levels. See, same way they're just 2 different levels. And they can swim around and stuff like that. Make sure you wash this off. You want to wash this off real good before you set it in the tank. Let me show you the one that I already have in there now. As you can see, you guys, this is the one I already have in the tank. You got the little fish there, that's what we call the teenagers. And you see, this is what I got in there now. I got the little red flowers, got the babies in there. I'll get ready to put this one in there right now. So what I'm going to do, see, here's the tank. You just push this against the tank like so, and then this could just rest in the tank like that. So there's how that goes. This how it looks. And I'm going to transfer these over to here because this has some brown algae building up on it. So I'm going to clean that up, get them out of that, and then put them in here. The little fresh one. And that's how we're going to do it. That's how we're going to do it. Put that down a little further in the water. And we going to be in business, you baby. Let's go. Little babies. Look, got all kind of fish in there. Alright, you guys. Thank y'all for watching the video. Make sure y'all definitely pick this up. Imaginary net breeder. If you got baby fish, you don't want them to get eaten. Get your little breeders and you'll be in the business. Hey, I'll see you guys on the next video.